Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be doing today? Cheesy pasta pie. Okay, so this is the ingredients list. Whatever pasta you use, boil according to the package instructions. Okay, so there I am boiling my pasta in salted water. You always want to salt your water. In this case, I was using egg noodles pasta. So just follow whatever is written on the package for your instructions. All right, so we drain our pasta now. And into a pot, we're going to add some butter. We're going to add 2 eggs. Now you can add more butter if you wish. You can customize this to your preference. There I added 1 teaspoon of salt, and now we're adding heavy cream to it. Again, with everything, the butter, the cheese, the heavy cream, you can adjust it to your preference. So there I added mozzarella cheese. So again, you can add whatever type of cheese you prefer and how many type of cheeses you prefer. So this particular time when I did this, I used mozzarella cheese and I also used cheddar cheese. So there I'm adding some cheddar cheese to it. Of course, you have to adjust this to your liking and preference. So add as much heavy cream as you would desire. So we have a baking dish that I greased with the butter, and then I added cheesy pasta to it. Remember, we did add 2 eggs to this, and that's why we need to bake it. So after we mix the cheese within the pasta itself, we now also want to top the pasta with cheese again. And to add an extra texture in terms of crunch, what I did was that I used some multigrain chips, and within the bag I crushed it. So while the bag is closed, I just crushed the chips as small as possible, and then I use that to sprinkle on top of the pasta pie. So in that way, you get that nice little crunch, a different texture, right? So that's an option you could use. Or even cornflakes, you can do that. So you bake it for 35 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's it. Enjoy!